Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And as a content creator, I need to have a good tripod, and this one is amazing.
Just because this thing is small and lightweight does not mean it is small in features. It has so many good things about it. I love everything that it does, from the level on it to being able to move it in every single direction. And it goes from 15 inches all the way up to 50 inches. I love this tripod. Look how far the phone holder stretches. I think that's absolutely amazing. I have never used a tripod as good as this one. It really is super sturdy and the phone does not wiggle at all. So it makes all of my filming so much easier. I am so happy with this. I love how I can adjust the legs in some weird ways to get the best shot that I need, and how easy it is to just clip my phone right in so I can go from moving to straight on filming. It's so simple, and everything packs down into this great little bag for on the go.
This is my new favorite tripod. I am so happy with it, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.